So I'm just going to give you a quick walk through the course and what you should expect and see when you're in the course. So the course has 15 modules. 14 of them are actual earth science modules. That's M1 through M14. And then the intro getting started M0 module. Now the structure of this course is very, very simple. We'll go to course information really quickly and look at the course schedule. So you can see that every week, usually on Wednesdays, except for when Wednesday is actually Juneteenth, so we skip that Wednesday and we move it to Thursday. But in general, on Wednesdays, things are due. So you'll have 2 notebook assignments and 2 quizzes due every Wednesday. And you can see that structure continues on until the final. Now, what do these look like? So you have these letters, M1, M2. Go back over here. It's taking a second to load. These letters, M1, M2, those indicate the module number. So M0 is the getting started. M1 is minerals and rocks. For example, let's take a look at our M1 content. There's a little introduction, and then there's this check-in and smile survey, not graded, just for fun, takes a few seconds, gives you an opportunity to let me know how you feel, and also kind of like a funny little thing, and then a little joke page, and then we get into the content. And this is the material that you should be reading. You don't The questions in the notebook should guide you along to what's the most relevant information. You don't have to memorize all of this. Everything in this class is open book, so don't stress out. And all the quizzes in the notebooks you can submit multiple times if you need to. So this should be a very, very low stress class. This is not a class for majors. This is a class for hi, I want to be an accountant. I need a science credit. Let's learn about some rocks. That's the spirit of this course. So no stress in this course. If you're stressed out, you're doing it wrong. Email me. And if anything happens and you get stressed out, email me. So class notebook submit. I'm going to click here. Notice you can't actually submit the notebook. That's because you do your notebook work over here in the notebook. Okay, so you type and you write and you draw over here. And then when you're done typing and writing and drawing, you just type submit to let me know that it needs to be graded. And then there's a short quiz. You can see M1 Rocks and Minerals is a particularly short quiz. So let's preview this quiz. You can retake these quizzes many times. This quiz is particularly short because it's only 4 questions. So generally it ranges between 4 questions and about 15. 15 is the maximum number of questions. So those are the only 2 things you need to turn in every week. That's it. You just keep moving forward. There are due dates. But if you let me know before the due date that you can't get something done, then it's no problem. Don't let me know after, because then there gets to be all sorts of problems. But if you know that something's coming up, hey, Dr. E, my sister's getting married and I want to go to her wedding. Yeah, of course your wedding's more important. Your sister's wedding is more important than a science class that's not part of your major that you're taking. Go over this. Go ahead and go, but let me know that's going on. That's all I ask. Just keep me informed of what's going on. Just put one foot in front of the other. I try to communicate really regularly, so expect a weekly email from me to tell you how you're doing. Probably awesome. I give away a lot of A's. Not give. Students earn a lot of A's in my class. It's not super hard to earn an A in my class. You just got to keep on putting one foot in front, particularly this class, which is for non-majors and doesn't have a lab. Just keep putting one foot in front of the other, keep turning in the work. If you make a mistake, don't be afraid to redo it, and you're going to do great. You're going to do absolutely great. And if something goes wrong, just tell me quickly and we can find a workaround. That's all that I ask. So I hope you enjoy this course. I hope this brief walkthrough was helpful. If there's anything you still don't understand, please feel free to email me.